What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Autotech. I got a treat for you guys. I have the Olsatools 12-piece push-style reverse ratchet wrenches that they have came out. So anytime you think about Olsatools, you think about organization. JRC 54 said it best. Just organization for all your tools, socket, wrenches, and screwdrivers and all that. But now they have brought out their own line of hand tools for mechanics, technicians, all the way around. What I really do appreciate about Olsatools is they put their tools in the hands of actual technician, mechanic, whatever you want to call us. So I'm excited to see what else they bring to the table. So let's go ahead and take an overlook and let's check it out. All right, guys, here's the first quick look of this Olsatools push style ratcheting wrench style wrench. It is nice and shiny. They give you what you want, from straight 8 all the way up to 19 with no skips in between whatsoever. It is definitely feels nice and sturdy. Let me grab I'll grab the 13 to show you guys. Here is the 13. Their logo stamped on there. Push is etched in there. 13 nicely stamped on there as well. Here it is, the backside, Chrome Vanadium. 13 definitely feels pretty sturdy. I haven't had any issues with it feeling like it's going to break on me at all. You guys check out offset right here, that gap, if you guys can see that at all. I have a compare it to, which is the snap-on. My buddy just bought this one. It's ratchet wrench with the selector style. It has an offset probably a lot bigger than you guys can see. For a snap-on, you pay for the price. He bought this for about, I want to say $400, I believe, because he bought 2 sets, the metric and SAE. Paid about $800, $900. Insane price. This whole entire set's about $100. And then if you use the 410 Auto, you get 10% at discount at checkout on any of the Olsatools product, which is nice. I really do respect Olsa for giving the smaller channel like me a big shot and helping you guys out with discount codes for their products, which is I do really like. My buddy's already have issues. He's had this for a couple weeks, almost just as long as I had the Olsa brand wrench. And let's hear, you can, every once in a while it starts to get jammed. I don't know if it has the icon curse or whatever it is, but that's terrible. He's already had a warranty couple wrenches out just because it gets stuck right there. And here you go. And what's key with this is the push style, which is nice. You can hear it change, which is nice. I have one more. This gear wrench. Here's the 15. They're just about the same exact size, but like I said, this is $100, which is pretty cool. I don't know, this might not be for everybody because it does definitely take some time to get used to. It took me at least a couple days to get just to get used to this. But I've used it so far on. I've used it a few amount of times so far. I've used it on some engine mounts on the newer style cruises. I've used it on taking a tensioner off. I've used it from oil changes to some brake jobs on a couple of different cars. Definitely a good wrench to use in a tight reach area. But now we're gonna hop into the video and take a little demonstration on how exactly it works. Alright guys, just to demonstrate it, I'm going to be loosening this bolt with a 15. It's already set to loose, so. Alright, now it's tight, so all you gotta do, just like it says right there, push. You want to loosen it, push inwards, and then up. You want to tighten it back up, push in. Nice little demonstration for you. So let's see if I can figure out anywhere else to help you out. Let's move on to the next car. Alright guys, so right now I'm just gonna see how well this is to take off this brake switch with Olsa 10mm. all you do is push in, and then you're good to go from there. And if you want to tighten it, push it in again, loosen it. But I can see if you're like in the middle and you're pushing forward, and then you'll loosen it accidentally. But all you do is, I'm loosening it right now, so I want to tighten it. And you hear that mechanism change, just like that. Nice and easy to do. I'll loosen it again. Push in, and then you're good to go. And this has a Loctite on it already, so you see all that green Loctite. Boom, you're good to go. That's how you take it off. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. Big shout out to Olsatools for hooking me up with these wrenches. I've only been using it for a month. Like I said, it's been pretty good so far. Haven't found any big major flaws. They haven't been locking up or anything like that. Definitely want to be able to tear it apart and see what exactly is that mechanism inside that makes it a one push style reversible wrench set. Hopefully in the future they will come out with an XL version and maybe a flank drive style wrenches too as well. For the price of $99.99, it's kind of hard to beat that price, so I think it's priced reasonably for technicians. I don't think they're too far out there in price range, and like I said, they're always pretty much always on discount. Right now it's 30% off, so $99.99, and if you use promo code 410auto, you get an additional 10%. Are they the best wrench out there? Probably not, but they are in that mid-range. I definitely believe that they're in the mid-range. But if you want to pay $400 for Snap-on, I definitely ain't going to pay $400 or $800 for the two sets right now. A lot of these channels out here on YouTube are designed to help you guys make an affordable choice on, you know, if you should buy these style wrenches or that style wrenches. That's why we make these videos to help you guys decide on what, if you like it or not. Definitely, at first it looked gimmicky, but it definitely looks like it helps out in tight spots, or even in just your daily grind, oil changes, suspension, anything out there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're on the way to 1K. I cannot believe that we're almost at 1K. I've been enjoying the rides. Big shout out to all you guys that do watch my videos. I'll be doing a giveaway soon. I don't know exactly what. I'll be reaching out to probably Olsatools and telling you guys what you guys would like to earn in a giveaway, and I'll try to see if I can make it happen. So drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. This is going to be 410 Auto Tech out.